Fliki AI Tutorial. Fliki AI Video Generator is a tool that can turn your text into videos in minutes. Also, you can make AI avatar for your videos instantly. Fliki AI is used to create professional and engaging explainer or educational or marketing videos, even video content for social media or any business just in 5 minutes. In this Fliki AI tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use Fliki AI to make video easily. So let's begin. To get a Fliki free trial to start using and try this AI, I add a link in the description. Click on it. Then you will see this page like as I do. Now click on this start button here. In this page, you can use your Google account to sign up easily. Your account with free trial will create in seconds. This is the main panel in Fliki AI Video Generator. You will see many items here, but in general, there are 3 main sections: Video Generator, Text-to-Speech, and Thumbnail Maker or Design section. It is very easy to work with Fliki, and in this tutorial, I'll show you all of these items and tell you how you can work with. The first option is Idea to Video. You can turn an idea to a video easily. Let's try it. In the first section, write your idea as a prompt. For example, I write this. In the next step, you can choose your desired video duration. I set it for a short video. If you have any specific file you want to use in this video, you can upload it from here. Then click on Next to continue. Here, you have to choose the tone of voice you need. In the second part, choose purpose of the video you want to make. And in the last part, you have to choose the audience of your video. Choose and go ahead. Fliki has 3 different sizes for different platforms. Choose the video size you want. And the next step is for choose a language. As you can see, it has too many different languages that you can choose and make your video in any language you want. And the next part, you can choose the accent, which is great. The customization part is for kind of your video visual part. If you want to use stock footages, choose the stock media. But if you want to Fliki generate some image or video, choose this AI media option. In this part, you have different model. You can choose any of them: cinematic, anime, origami, art, and so on, as you can see here. Now I choose this one, for example. And for the next part, I will choose stock media and show you how it would be. In the More option, you can choose any of these items if you want them in your video. Then click on Submit and wait a second for Fliki generate your video. This is the video that Fliki AI generated in 2 minutes. Although Fliki made the whole video, but you can still make some changes if you want in every section. In the left side, you have the script part by part. Each part has a unique image. It divided the script into different scenes to generate an image for each part separately. First of all, let's watch a bit of this video.
Healthy eating, happy family. Hey you! Yes, you! Did you know healthier family meals start with a single swap? Ditch the chips for crispy veggie sticks, or trade soda for refreshing fruit-infused water. Small changes lead to big results. It's easier than you think to make healthy eating a family habit. Cooking doesn't have to feel like work. Turn it into family fun. Pick a simple...
It has a good voiceover, subtitles are added. Each part has a good image, it added transition between images. All is good. But now let me show you how you can edit each of these parts if you want. I start from scene 1. Click on the scene you want. It will show you what are used in this scene. Well, the first box you see here under the voiceover option is the text that your voiceover will read this. If you want to voice over more words here, simply add it. And the next text box, this box, is the text that is shown on the screen and just the viewer can see it. It will not turn to voice, so you can type anything you want in the screen. You can edit each part by clicking on that part. After you click, a setting part will open on the right side. Here, this is the setting of that element. For example, I click on this text and now you will see I can make some change from this setting tab that has been opened in the right side. From the first section, here, you can change the position of the text easily. I'm making these changes now to show you how it works. In the next section, you can change the font and font size. As you can see here, you have too many choices for change the font. As you can see, it is really easy to work with Fliki AI. To change any element, you have to select it, and then from this adjustment bar, you can make any changes you want. The next part is for change the text color and background color. The next part is for text animations. If you want some animation for entry and exit of text, you can set it from here. And this timing option here is for setting the displaying of this text. If you want this text show on a specific time, you can set it from here. For example, maybe you don't want to show a text on screen from the first moment of that scene. You can set it from this option easily. The next option is the effects that are applied to the video. For example, this effect is now activated in this scene on this image. By clicking on this effect, you can see all the available effects and then select any of them you want. You have probably seen many of these effects in various videos on social media. From here, you can also make settings related to the effect. For example, you can increase or decrease its opacity. This is also a general shape that is placed on the image, which you can adjust. This creates a blurred or dark layout on the image. If you don't like each part, you can easily remove it from this remove option. And the next and most important element in each scene is the footage. In some scene, you will see one image, and in another scene, maybe you see 2 or even 3 images. This is based of the paragraph and meaning that Fliki generate different images or different videos for that. You can change any image by clicking on that image easily, or you can even turn this image to a video by clicking on this option here. Fliki will generate it for you in seconds. You can do the same for any image in Fliki, or even you can regenerate it with this option. Now, if you want to change it, click on the image. This is the prompt that Fliki used to generate this image. You can change it and generate again if you want, or you can change the model from here. And if you want to use a stock image, you can find it from here. You have many options for change the image, and it is really amazing. Now, the next option is about voiceover, which is so important. If you click on each scene, you can see the voiceover option for that scene in the top of it. You can change it by clicking on it. Here, as you can see, there is too many options for choose a good voice. On the top of this page, you have a filter to choose the language and gender if you want. Fliki AI supports many languages, as I told earlier, which you can use to make videos for any language you want. Let's listen to some of these voices together.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
This was a sample of standard voices. Now I choose another one.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
They are really perfect. You can choose any of these voices for your video easily by clicking on that voice. One important and I think interesting thing here is that you can choose a specific voice for just one of the scenes. I mean, if you want, you can choose different voices for different scenes, which is great, just like as 2 or 3 people are talking in your videos. Or if you want a single voice, choose this option here to apply this voice on all scenes. After you choose a voiceover, it is time to make some adjustment. You can change the volume of the voiceover now from the right adjustment bar. You can also change the speed of the voiceover from this section. That was all about Fliki AI voiceover you need to know. Now, if you have made a change in a scene in general and you want some other scenes to have this change, you should copy that part of the change and paste it in any scene you want to reduce the volume or add an animation to the text or anything else. For example, I reduced the volume a little here and I want to reduce it in 2 other scenes as well. To do this, I do it as you can see. Now, if I want a change to be made in general to all scenes, I don't need to copy one by one. I just have to click on this option to make it to all scenes. Easy. Now, in the next step, let's choose a background music for this video. On the top of this page, you have background music option. There are 3 different ways to add a background music to your video. The first way is using stock media. You have a big library of different music you can choose from them. Here, you can type something, listen to it, and if you liked it, you can click on that music and choose it. The second way is upload a music. If you have a specific background music on your system, click on this option to upload your file from here easily. And the third way is let Fliki AI choose a good music for you based on your script and video. And after all, you can change the volume of the background music you added in the video. Now let's add a watermark in video. Maybe you have a business or want to add a logo in your video. Click on this option. Here you can add some element to your video, like watermark. Click on it. Now you can upload your logo and then select it. I already uploaded it here, so I choose it now. As you can see, I have a logo in my video that I can move it to anywhere or I can easily resize it. Also, I can change the opacity too from the right sidebar. After all edits, if your video is ready, to download your video, you can click on this download option. To download more videos, you need to upgrade your account. For the premium account, I will give you a Fliki coupon code to get the maximum discount on any monthly or annually plans. To upgrade Fliki account, after you log in your panel, click on Upgrade option in the top of this page. You will see Fliki pricing panel. You have to read the descriptions, then choose your favorite plan. In the next page, click on Add promotional code. Then add this Fliki AI coupon code. Click on Apply button. I added this code in the description. Copy and paste it here. By this code, you will get 20% discount on any plan you choose and can save big. So get it and enjoy. Now let me explain the difference between the Fliki pricing plans. Fliki has monthly and yearly subscription and has two different plans, standard and premium. The most important thing is how much is your needs, based on video minutes. If you are a small business and want just to start your business, the starter plan can be a good choice. Fliki starter plan covers 180 minutes video, each video up to 15 minutes length. You have access to more than 150 ultra-realistic voices, which is good. You can have one voice cloning. And in the Fliki Premium plan, you can have up to 600 minutes video, each video up to 30 minutes length. You can have an unlimited access to AI avatars. You can have 3 voice cloning and more than 1,000 ultra voiceovers, which are fantastic. If you have a medium to big business and also need AI avatars and voice cloning, the premium plan is good for you. Now that I talked about voice cloning and custom voices, let me first show you this most popular option and then explain other features. Maybe you have a business and record your voice for this business. Voice cloning is an option to clone your own voice to make voiceover for videos or even podcasts if you want, without doing it by yourself. In this way, you will save your time. In the main panel of Fliki, click on Voice option in the left side. Then choose Clone. Here you have click on this Add option. After this, you have to choose a name, and then Fliki will show you a text that you have to read it and record it. Then, after submitting it, Fliki will send you an email to let you know your voice clone is accepted or not. Usually it takes 1 hour, or maybe a bit more. After Fliki accepts your voice clone, you can choose your voice when you want to choose a voice over in video. I showed you earlier how to choose a voice. Your clone voice will add there. And the next option is Custom Voice. In this section, you can describe the age, accent, tone, or character and create a new voice easily. This will be your own private AI voice that you can use in your project, and other people has not this voice. And all these 2 voiceovers, option for clone and custom, will be available after you upgrade your account. Now let us see how to turn script into video with Fliki AI. For this, choose the second option. After this, everything can be easy for you because I explained different part for you in the beginning of the video. Now here, paste your script. If you want to make video with a summary of this script, choose this option. And with this option, choose the length of your desired video. The next 2 steps are exactly the same as before. Just go ahead and see the result. In this time, I choose stock footage to show you how it would be. And this is the result. This is the video that Fliki generate for me with just paste a script. It is the same video editing panel. If you remember, I told you earlier that a single footage or even multiple footages may be selected for a scene. For example, here 3 videos have been selected. From here, we can easily adjust the duration of each footage. Now, let's watch a bit of this video.
Top 5 destinations for a summer trip. Summer is calling, and it's the ultimate time to embark on adventures, soak up vibrant cultures, and capture memories that last a lifetime. Whether you dream of sun-kissed beaches, lively streets, or serene landscapes, here are 5 must-visit destinations to spark your wanderlust this summer. Santorini charms with its iconic whitewashed villages, sparkling waters, and jaw-dropping sunsets. Wander the dreamy streets of Oia, sunbathe on volcanic beaches, or cruise the Aegean Sea. Pair your trip with delectable seafood and locally crafted wine for the perfect escape. Craving Italian vibes? The Amalfi Coast delivers dazzling cliffside views, vibrant towns like Positano, and rich Mediterranean flavors. Stroll the cobbled streets, bask in seaside cafes, and savor La Dolce Vita on a stunning coastal drive. Bali is your tropical haven. Think sandy beaches, hidden temples, and serene rice paddies. Surf, unwind in yoga retreats, or catch golden sunsets at buzzing beach clubs. Bali brims with life and adventure for young explorers. Summer reveals Iceland's raw beauty. Picture endless daylight for glacier treks, epic waterfall hunts, and dips in hot springs. Journey the ring road, hike Thingveller's trails, and embark on majestic whale-watching adventures. Kyoto blends tradition and tranquility. Its tea houses, golden temples, and enchanting bamboo forests transport you to a peaceful realm. For cultural immersion and unforgettable stories, Kyoto awaits. Unpack these gems, ignite your wanderlust, and let this summer be one to remember.
There is a big difference between this video and the previous video. That is the subtitle. In the previous video, I used text on each scene. But in this video, Fliki used subtitle and generate a subtitle. To see it, you can click on the text, then in the right side you will see Subtitle option. As you can see, it is active. Now from this part, you can make changes on this subtitle, like color, font size, and anything you see here. And if you don't like the subtitle at all, easily deactivate this subtitle option. Then for the whole video, remember to click on Apply to all scenes. Another thing maybe you need to add in your video is transition between different scenes. If you click on a scene, you will see the main adjustment for that scene in the right side. Here you have transition option. When you active this, you will see different transition can be added after this scene. You can choose any of these. And then after all, remember to click on Apply for all if you want this transition for all scenes. Another Fliki feature is AI avatar. You can add an AI avatar for each scene you want. Of course, you can use AI avatars in different videos, which I tell you later. If you click on this option, you will see different AI avatars that you can choose for your videos. As you can see here, there are too many different AI avatars that you can choose. Even some of them are in different dress, which is great for those who want to make different videos with one avatar. If you see a lock here, it is because you can choose them after you upgrade your account. And in free trial account, you can't use the avatars. You can choose you need the avatar for one scene or all scenes, and after all, you can customize it from right sidebar. Another feature in Fliki is that you can change the video ratio after you edit it. You can do it from this setting option, and all the edits you did in your video will remain. In this way, you can make a video and turn it into different size to share in different social media, which is perfect. One of the most popular feature here is Fliki AI Translator. In this tool, you can make a video in one language and then export it in different languages. For this, click on this More option. Here you have Translate option. If you click on this option, you will see any other languages which Fliki supports. As I told before, this supports many languages, and you can see here as I do. And in the second option, you will see the different accents. So, you can pick the one you want and click on Submit button. After seconds, Fliki will translate your video in your desired language easily. But to get this feature, you need to upgrade. Till this moment, I explained all Fliki AI features in editing part. Now I want to show you other amazing features fast to not make you bored. Let's continue together. This option is for converting a blog post to a video. For example, if you have a blog post and you want to convert it to a video, you just need to copy the link to that page and then paste it in this section. It will easily create a video for you with the content of that page. It's that simple. You just copy and paste the link. The rest of this process is exactly as I explained in the previous sections. I am doing it to show you the exact process to show you the result I got here. And this is the video with the exact blog post and URL I have added. Amazing, right? Imagine how it could be to make content easily in one day. The next feature is turning any presentation to video. You can easily upload your presentation file from this upload option here. Then it would make a video for you. The next option is for creating product videos. You can add your product links from Amazon or Airbnb, then Fliki will make an e-commerce video in seconds, which is perfect for those who need to make different video for marketing in these marketplaces. The next one is for edit videos. Maybe you have already a video and now want to add some B-roll footages or need subtitles or even need an AI avatar for your videos or any effects. With this feature, you can do these. Simple upload your video and use Fliki powerful features. The next option is record option, which is Fliki latest updates recently. This feature will save your time for record your own face as a person who wants to talk in his video, and at the same time can record your screen and your voice from microphone. Easily just choose what you need for your works. Then use this amazing editor tool to make your video recording. This feature is good for educational and explaining videos. It is really great. The next video feature which can make your works faster and more engagement is use AI avatar in your videos. To make video with AI avatar, if you want to use AI avatar as the base of your videos, click on this template option here in the main page. Here you have too many ready-made template for each niche you maybe need them. Each of them has a unique theme, color, font, and design. You can search between them, and if you like of them, just choose it. The edit part is as the same as I explained earlier. Those I explained are the base information you need to edit your videos. These templates are in different size, and you can choose the desired ratio and make your video. The video part is finished now, and the second part is for Fliki text to speech. In Fliki audio part, you can turn any idea, script, and blog post to a voice easily just by some click. It's as simple as making a video. For example, now let's make a voice from a script I have and show you how it works. Here, you have to paste your script. The rest of process so like as before. Here you have to choose if you need sound effects in your audio file, then continue, and this is the result. Just in few seconds, Fliki make your script to speech easily. One of the most favorite feature in Fliki is that you can add different voice in each scene, like as a podcast. Now let's listen to what it is generated.
Top 5 destinations for a summer trip. Summer is the perfect time to explore new destinations, soak up the sun, and create unforgettable memories. Whether you prefer relaxing on a beach, exploring vibrant cities, or enjoying nature, here are the top 5 destinations to visit this summer.
It is really perfect. You can make your account with the link below to get some credits and try Fliki by yourself. If you need a background music, as I told before, you can add it from here easily. Also, you can translate your voice into different languages with this translate option here. You can do translate after you upgrade your account. But you should know it is a good feature for you to use if you work multi-languages. It would speed up your works and you don't even need anybody to do this for you. Thus, you save money and time. That is perfect. The last part is for design. Fliki can generate thumbnails, social media post, and presentation. You can easily work with Fliki and get this items. For example, I want to show you the thumbnail generator now. In the first step, you have to add your topic and then submit. And the rest of process is just like as before. After a second, your thumbnails are ready to edit and use. You can see here 4 different thumbnails in 4 different color and design. You can edit each part and change whatever you want. Also, you can upload your assets and use in these designs. The other features in design part are the same. In this Fliki AI tutorial, I tried to show you all Fliki features and how you can work with this AI video generator tool. After this video, you know how to use Fliki and make tone of videos for your business in seconds. Hope you enjoyed and not bored. And after all, to remind you, once more, I say that you can use the link below to get Fliki free trial and use Fliki coupon code to get discount on pricing plan when you want to upgrade your account.